Ooh, I'm thirsty. I was riding my new bike I got this one, I think 2 days ago. My other one was getting a little bit too big on me, so I got a new one. See, I'm rocking Elsa, Frozen, you know, that's just my thing. But yeah, I'm really thirsty, so I think I'm gonna get a little drink of water. There's a water fountain right here, so it shouldn't be too hard, right? So put your foot right there, I think. Or just push it. Oh! Oh, whoa. Are you serious? I just want to get a drink of water. Okay. No, I can work with it. I can work with it. Isn't that bad? Could be worse, you know? Could be lava instead, so I think I'm gonna get a drink now. Ooh, here goes nothing. Whoa! Wow! Wow! That is, I mean, the water tastes good, but it's a little hard to drink. I might be soaking wet right now, but that's okay. I got water, and that's all that matters. Well, I'm gonna get back on my bike, and I think I'm gonna go home now. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.